How to play Xbox Game Pass games on your PC. And this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can play Xbox Game Pass games on your PC. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is, of course, pull up your Xbox app or Xbox application that you can get via Microsoft Store or by using just your default browser and typing in Xbox app. So once you've successfully logged in and you haven't redeemed your Game Pass yet, here's how. So at the upper left, you should be able to see your IGN or your endgame name on Xbox. You simply click on that and then choose on My Subscriptions. And once you're here, you will automatically be redirected into the subscription tab. So you just choose on Redeem a code. So again, this is going to be the first method that you will need to do to redeem your Game Pass. So just simply input the 25 character code for your Game Pass, choose on next, follow on screen prompts so that you can successfully redeem your subscription from the Game Pass. Now, once you've done that, you can go directly into Game Pass. Then you can click on all games, or you can pin any genre of the game, or you can get a separate Game Pass with this field. Now, for you to be able to play with it, just simply click on the game that you prefer, and you want to have to download it first on your PC and choose wherever you would like the game to be placed onto your operating system. And that's it. That is how you play Xbox Game Pass games on your PC.